little bit more. They don't know how you like it.
What's up, it's QueenSit and I'm back with another video. If this is your first time here, I'm a motorcycle influencer and Harley Davidson partner from St. Louis, Missouri. On my channel, I travel to find the good vibes. So today we're headed to Milwaukee from St. Louis to start a new series on my channel. We're going to be finding and visiting the best motorcycle bars in the world. Let's go. During the road trip, it started to rain. I expected a little rain, so it wasn't a huge deal. I stopped at a gas station to grab some gas and used it as an opportunity to clean off some of the bugs off my bike. Gross. After that stop, I had about 2.5 hours left of my 6-hour journey. Okay, so the plan is to ride to Milwaukee and check into a hotel. One of my friends from Milwaukee suggested a neighborhood bar for me to visit. It's supposed to have good vibes and nice people when I arrive. Okay, so here we are in Milwaukee. I'm going to set my GPS to the bar, and let's check it out. This is my first bar review ever, so the plan is to see what type of energy it gives off. Like if it's a welcoming place, motorcycle friendly, what drink specials they have, and if they sell food. What's up with you? Good luck. In the comments below, let me know if there's something you wish I would have mentioned or what I should review on my next bar visit. Your feedback is definitely welcome, all right? We're about 3 minutes away from the bar, so let's pull up and let's see what it's all about. All right, let's go. Can you park motorcycles right here? Yes. Yeah. Alright, what's good, y'all? It's QueenSit. I'm out here in Milwaukee, all the way from St. Louis. Like I told y'all, we was gonna go visit different motorcycle bars around the country, okay? Right now I'm at the King of the Baggers, but we're gonna take some time out to make this series happen on my channel. Right now, we at this club called Sabbatic. One of the girls at the Harley Davidson Museum told me about it, so we're about to check it out. Let's see what the food look like, let's see what the drinks look like, let's see what the atmosphere look like. You know I'm always after a positive vibe, so Let's see if we get it. It's QueenSit. Let's go. All right, let's go in.
Super chill.
So what you get? What you get here?
Oh my god, I don't know. He ordered it for me, but
Yeah.
it's a really bomb IPA. I wish I knew the name of it.
And the prices are right?
He asked the bartender.
Yeah?
How did you know?
And the prices look good here?
Schools in yours and an IPA. $6.50. What? Where do you get that?
Right,
Especially
right.
here.
Do they sell food here too?
I have no idea.
Oh, okay,
I
okay.
walked in.
Right on. Well, thank you.
What are you doing for? What is there, like a Harley Fest?
We got. Thank you so much.
Alright, y'all.
This place is amazing. The people are friendly. The bartenders are friendly. They don't have food here, but you can order food and have it delivered and chill. Calm, shut up. I love it here. It's a great time. It's a good vibe. And I'm just gonna chill here, hang out. All right, y'all, listen. It was too loud to talk in there, but I wanted to come out and let y'all know. I give this place a thumbs up. This was an excellent bar. It's getting ready to rain, so I gotta talk fast. Great service. The people were nice. The workers were nice, very friendly. This is new, so let me know in the comments, what do you think I should add? What do you want to see more of next time? I thought it was pretty cool to go in and explore. There's no food here, so that's the only thing, but I still give it a thumbs up because they say you can deliver food here. You can do Uber Eats, have someone deliver food and they'll let you eat inside, so that's pretty cool. The drinks were super cheap. I think a rum and Coke was $2. Insane, right? Milwaukee is amazing, has some of the best prices here. And I mean, you can't beat that. So, and it was happy hour, so that's probably why too. But, and the time is, it's around 5 o'clock, so go check them out. This is Sabbatic. I'm going down here. They got some type of event or parade going on, so we're finna go down there and check it out. So enjoy the rest of this vlog. But the review of the restaurant is over. Now we're just finna kick it in Milwaukee. All right, let's go. Can I put the puppy on camera? Yeah. Oh my God. Wow.
There's only one bartender working right now. Rob is going to answer questions, do dishes, fix things, everything else like that. Everybody say, thanks, Rob! Next thing, you're allowed to order either 2 shots, 2 beers, a beer and a shot. Anything over that, I'm already giving away the bar. I'm not going to give you anything else. Doubles are $2. If you don't like doubles for $2, go somewhere else. I don't give a shit. Next thing, you are allowed to order in 3 seconds. If you don't know what you want in 3 seconds, I move past you. I move down the bar like a typewriter. If you don't know what a typewriter is, get the
Baby on baby drop me like 6, baby, oh no. nobody jump shit. Let's go.
Alright, thank you for checking out this vlog and this review of the bar. For the rest of the vlog, we're just gonna hang out in Milwaukee tonight, go get some food, and I'll see you on the next video. It's QueenSit. I'm out. Alright, y'all, I'm at a place called Pizza Shuttle. Whoa. This place looks cool. You can be. Have you been here before?
No. Yeah, like 2 years ago.
Was it amazing?
Yeah, it was fucking.
Okay, this is my first time. Yeah, I'm from St. Louis, so I come out here and try different stuff. I ride motorcycles and stuff.
Milwaukee.
Thank you.
It's like a different type of Chicago deep dish.
Okay.
It's like more cake, but it is sauce. You know what I'm saying? So it's
Okay,
like,
okay. I'm excited. I'm excited.
Yeah, this place.
All right, we got a rainy day in Milwaukee, but let's see what this piece is talking about. Ooh. I'm gonna pick the meat off. Yeah.